Welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to solve this question as we are still working on the construction of triangles. And the question that we have here says that if line AB equals 70 millimeters, BC equals 55 millimeters, and angle ABC equals 45 degrees, draw a circle to touch points A, B, and C. Measure and state the radius of the circle. Let me read the question again. If line AB equals 70 millimeters, BC equals 55 millimeters, and angle ABC equals 45 degrees, draw a circle to touch points A, B, and C. Measure and state the radius of the circle. So for this question that we have here, we first of all need to construct a triangle. Though it is not stated in the question that we should draw a triangle, but we need to construct a triangle as we are given length AB at 70 millimeters, BC 55 millimeters, and angle ABC as 45 degrees. So we need to construct a triangle. Then we now go on after the construction of triangle to construct a circle that will touch point A, B, and C of the triangle. Okay, so let's go and see how this work can be done. So the first thing that you have to do, so make sure you have space up and you also have space down. Okay, so just come up like this and then draw a horizontal line of any length. Then we are going to take a measurement of 70 millimeters, which is the length of side AB of the triangle. So set your ruler like this on the line, and at 0 put a mark, and at 7 put a mark on the line. So we label this point as point A. This point is point A here, okay, and this point is point B. Alright, so we have this. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to construct angle 45 degree at point B. We are constructing angle 45 degree at point B. The letter in the middle possesses the angle, as we have that angle ABC equals 45 degree. So B is in the middle of that expression. So we are going to construct angle 45 degree at point B. So let's do the construction. So to construct angle 45 degree, put the pinpoint of the compass at B and extend the pencil to a convenient radius. Then first of all, draw a semicircle like this. So draw a semicircle. Okay, so we draw a semicircle like this. Then we are going to divide this semicircle, which is 180 degree, we divide into 2, that is into 90, 90. So we put the pinpoint of the compass here at this point, extend the pencil to a convenient radius. So draw an arc up here like this. So draw an arc here, then put the midpoint at this point here on the semicircle, where the semicircle touches line AB. Then draw an arc again. Alright, so where the two arcs intersect, so draw a line through the point of intersection of the arcs like this. Okay, now here we have the angle from this point here on the line where the arc intersect the line, and this point is 90 degree. So the angle should be inside the triangle. So we are not making use of this one. This is outside the triangle. So we are making use of this one. So this angle 90 degree. So we are going to divide it into 2 equal parts. We divide it into 2 equal parts. So if we divide 90 by 2, that will give us 45, which is angle 45 degree that we are given to construct at point B. So what we have to do, we bisect this angle. So put the midpoint of the compass here at this point. Okay, then extend the compass to a convenient radius. This is okay for me. Then draw an arc like this. Then raise it up, put it at this point. So where the line touches the semicircle, then draw an arc again like this. Alright, so then from point B, draw a line through the point of intersection of the arcs. So it goes like this. So from point B, set the ruler very well. Okay, so then draw a line through the point of intersection of the arcs. So we have this. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do, we are told that length BC of the triangle is 55 millimeters. So take your compass and then take a measurement of 55 millimeters. So 55 millimeters is from 0 to a long line that is in between 5 and 6. That is 55 millimeters. So here we have this. So then put the B point at point B here. Put it at point B. Then make an arc here. So this is point C. So here we have point C here. So we have point C here. So what we have to do now is that, so we are going to join. So we join point A and C together, and then so make this line BC, make it a thick line. Make it a thick line like this. Okay, then make line AB a thick line. Make line AB a thick line like this. Alright, so then this angle here, so let's write it there. So this angle is 45 degrees. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a circle that will touch point A, touch point B, and touch point C. So that is the next thing that we are going to do. Now, this circle that we are to construct is known as a circumscribed circle. A circle that touches the three vertices or the three points of a triangle is called a circumscribed circle. Now, to construct a circumscribed circle, you have to bisect any two sides of the triangle. I will make this statement again. To construct a circumscribed circle, you have to bisect any two sides of the given triangle. So you may decide to divide or to bisect side AC and side BC, or side AB and BC, or side AB and AC, any two sides that you like. But for me, I will bisect side AC and side BC. So that is what I'm going to do. So let's bisect the side. So first of all, bisect side AC. So put the midpoint of the compass here at point A. Extend the pencil point to a radius that is a little bit more than half of the line. So this is okay for me. So draw an arc here. Okay, then draw an arc here like this. Then put it at point C. So draw an arc here. Okay, and then draw an arc here like this. Alright, so then join the point of intersection of the arcs together as I'm going to do it here. Join the point of intersection of the arcs together. So it goes like this. Alright, so we have this line. So this line is the bisector of AC. Then let's draw the bisector of BC. So put the midpoint of the compass at point A here, at point B. Okay, extend the pencil point to a radius that is a little bit more than half of BC. So this is okay for me. So draw an arc on this side and draw an arc here on this side like this. Then raise it up. Put the midpoint at point C here. Midpoint at point C. So draw an arc here and you draw an arc here on this side. So I can see where they intersect. So they intersect at this point and they also intersect at this point. So you have to be very careful and then please be watchful. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do now is to draw the bisector of BC. So connect the point of intersection of the two of the arcs together. So it goes like this. All right. So now, wherever the bisector of side AC and side BC, wherever they meet or wherever they intersect, so will be the center of the circle. So what we are trying to do is to find the center of the circle, where we are going to put the compass and then draw a circle that will touch point A, B, and C. So we have found the center now. So where the two bisectors intersect, which is this point here. So I'll call this point, I'll call it point O. So what I'm to do right now, having located the center of the circle, I will put the midpoint of my compass at point O here. Then extend the pencil point to point B, or you extend it to point C, or you extend to point A, any one that you like. Then now, so having extended the pencil point to point B from point O here, so go on and draw the circle. So the circle, this is the circle. So the circle goes like this. Okay, so you can see the circle. All right, so this is the circle. So the circle touches point A, B, and C. And I said that this circle is known as a circumscribed circle. It's called a circumscribed circle. Now, let's take the measurement of the radius of the circle as we asked to measure and state the radius of the circle. So what I'm going to do is that from point O here, I'm going to draw a line. So I'll make it short dashes line like this. So I will draw that line to point B. Okay, so this line OB is the radius of the circle. So I will take the measurement. Line OB is the radius of the circle. So I take the measurement. So now, so let me just make use of this part. So looking at what we have here, okay, so this is 35 millimeters long. So the radius is 35 millimeters. This is 1, 2, 3 to this point. So this is 35 millimeters. So I will write radius. So radius, okay, so radius, so OB, so radius OB is equal to 35 millimeters. So radius OB is 35 millimeters. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.